Today I'm making a bichwa. So that's what I'm making. I'm not making exactly that, just my own style, obviously. Okay, I stuffed up here. Really, the twisted Damascus is they're both going the same way, which I wanted to make it so one goes right and one goes left, and then have it in the center of the blade, but both going the same way. I might have to just leave it because I'm not twisting that right, because that just might make me cry if I stuff that up. But yeah, well, now I know. I began forging 3 parts in making this knife, which is Damascus guard and the high carbon billet. They will be wedged in between those 2 Damascus pieces I made up, the twist Damascus that is. I cut the steel diagonally to make full use of the material. Okay, I got a little bit carried away. I made the billet up, but then once I made the billet up, I didn't really stop and think of how to actually make the guard, because I don't make them. So yeah, I should have just stopped and thought about it a little bit, but I went ahead and tried to make one, which obviously doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is just cut this bit off, because there's some delam in that from the ends. Then I'm going to square it all up to the actual guard, the size I want it to be, and they'll leave it pretty thin, so I'll be able to put a 1mm disc through the centre and sort of lever it out instead of a big chunky piece. But yeah. Okay, sorry guys for not showing how I did it. It's not very good anyways, because it's my first time doing it, but I kind of had to put the camera down in order to focus a little bit more and get what I'm trying to do. So this is where I'm at with the guard, and I've got quite a bit of stock removal to do, but you know, I think it's best to work at it like this now instead of just keep on forging at it. I'll get better, but right now, you know, just I have to work with it. So I'm going to leave that for now, and work on these two things here. These are the blades that I just ground down to shape. Now I'm going to chuck it in the forge, press it down to get the correct thickness, and then start shaping it to the I'll start shaping it on the anvil to the degree I want. And yeah, should be good. Okay, what I'm going to do is just, with these parts, I'm going to grind off the top, get the mill scale off, and just see what's happening underneath. I'm not going to get too carried away with it, just enough to see what's going on within the steel. Yeah, get that done. Hot. Why is it so hot? in the next episode.